Which of the following equations has the same real zeros as the function in the graph below? Well, here's my function, and it crosses the axis here at -3, and it crosses the axis here at 1. So the real zeros for this guy are at -3 and 1. So what I need to do is I need to find which one of these has the real zeros of -3 and 1. When you're being asked to find the zeros in general, you only care about the numerator. So for A, we could test out x squared plus 2x minus 3. That factors out to x plus 3, x minus 1. And if our job is to find the zeros, we set it equal to 0. You would be -3. You would be +1. You're my guy. Now, if you wanted to test out the others, hey, be my guest. But you don't have to because we already came across our answer pretty quickly.